Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to find the solution about Google Drive. To know how to solve your solutions about Google Drive, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to Google Drive. After that you'll enter to first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.